One of the oldest living tree species, Ginkgo biloba is renowned for its ability to support brain health, circulation, and memory. Let's explore 10 detailed ways to use ginkgo for sharper mental function and better blood flow, with a special tip at the end. Tip 1. Improve memory and cognitive function. Struggling to focus or remember details? Reduced blood flow and oxidative stress can impair brain function. Ginkgo increases cerebral circulation and acts as an antioxidant, protecting brain cells. Take standardized ginkgo supplements or brew ginkgo leaf tea by steeping 1 teaspoon of dried leaves in hot water for 10 minutes, sipping daily to enhance memory. Tip 2. Reduce symptoms of anxiety. Anxiety can stem from imbalanced neurotransmitters and stress. Ginkgo modulates neurotransmitter activity and reduces inflammation, helping calm the mind. Drink ginkgo tea or take supplements during stressful periods for emotional balance. Tip 3. Support eye health. Poor circulation can affect vision. Ginkgo improves blood flow to the eyes and protects retinal cells. Use ginkgo supplements or tea regularly to support eye health. Tip 4. Alleviate tinnitus. Persistent ear ringing often relates to poor blood flow or nerve irritation. Ginkgo's vasodilating effects may reduce tinnitus severity. Take ginkgo extract as directed by a healthcare provider. Tip 5. Boost energy and reduce fatigue. Low energy can result from poor oxygen delivery. Ginkgo enhances oxygen utilization and mitochondrial function. Drink ginkgo tea in the morning to feel more energized. Tip 6. Support healthy aging. Oxidative damage accelerates aging. Ginkgo's antioxidants help protect cells, supporting longevity and brain health. Incorporate ginkgo into your daily routine for anti-aging benefits. Tip 7. Improve circulation. Cold hands and feet or poor circulation can be eased by ginkgo's blood-thinning and vessel-relaxing properties. Take supplements or drink tea to promote healthy circulation. Tip 8. Support mental clarity without jitters. Unlike caffeine, ginkgo provides a gentle cognitive boost without nervousness. Try ginkgo tea as a natural stimulant during work or study. Tip 9. Protect against neurodegenerative diseases. Research suggests ginkgo may slow progression of Alzheimer's and dementia by protecting neurons. Regular use may support brain health in aging adults. Tip 10. The ultimate brain and body tonic. And here's the best tip. Combine ginkgo biloba with American ginseng in a daily tonic. Simmer equal parts dried herbs in water for 15 minutes. Strain and sip to boost mental clarity, circulation, and energy naturally. Ginkgo biloba is your ancient ally for a sharp mind and healthy circulation. Next, we'll explore a sunny yellow flower known for lifting mood and easing stress. Stay tuned.